Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how you can back up any photo from your camera roll to Snapchat Memories. This is quick and easy to do, so let's begin. Go to the Snapchat Memories page and select your camera roll. Now all you have to do is select the images you would like to back up and choose to hide them. This will add them to the My Eyes Only folder. Once they are in this folder, they will already be backed up to the Snapchat cloud. But if you select them again and then choose Unhide, they will then be displayed and backed up in the normal Snaps folder. And that is how you can back up any photos from your camera roll to Snapchat. If you found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks in the future.